Listen to what IDTO's latest client has to say about our DNA relationship testing service.
Calm.
Mr. Tanner, if you don't mind me asking, what did you think about our paternity testing service?
It was great. Matter of fact, it was a lot faster than what I expected. In fact, the funny thing was, you sent the swabs to me, and you sent the swabs to him. He's in England, and I'm here in Florida, and he got his first. that surprised me, because I talked to him about 2 days after I ordered the kit, and he told me he had the kit, and I said, well, that's weird. I don't even have the kit yet. And then, of course, and then it was about it was right on the cusp of the 4th of July weekend, so it was a little, on my part, I couldn't get it out till the following Tuesday. But I'm perfectly happy with the speed like I say, I'm surprised that you guys handled it as fast as you did, both the mailings and the lab work.
We try to do our best to make sure that we expedite these things as quickly as possible, and because we know people, they want to get the process started as soon as possible, so we take that into account when we're performing these kinds of results. So
it's a funny thing.
Thank you for watching our latest paternity testing topic. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates regarding all things DNA testing today.